Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass if you cannot access YouTube Studio on your mobile phone. So first of all, as you can see, I'm trying to access YouTube Studio with my phone. I went to desktop view, as you can see here, and then I tried to go to YouTube Studio, and this what happens. Yes guys, it goes straight to my app, the YT Studio app. So the only solution I found is you need to delete this app. So first of all, just uninstall it. You can always sign in again, it's simple, vice versa. Delete, sign in, there's no long way around it. So what you do is delete the app and then go back to Chrome, and then you will instantly be into the YouTube Studio as shown here. So I just tapped on it again, and now bingo, I'm in guys. Yes. So when you want to install the app again, all you need to do is just go to the App Store or Play Store, download the app, and automatically your credentials already there.